Dito po kami nag-book ng hotel sa Da Silvia sa Solamon, Siquijor. Malapit lang siya sa beach, walking distance. The hotel has a small entrance after a tattoo parlor and before a convenience store. Ito namang aming kwarto ay isang family room. Meron siyang isang single bed at isang double bed. Simple lang yung room, wala kang aircon eh. Pero sa panahon na pumunta kami dito, walang problema kasi hindi naman mainit. Saka nag-provide sila ng 3 electric fan. Meron pang kettle for hot water at nagbigay sila ng isang galong tubig. Merong water dispenser. So maganda yon, no? At meron pang extension wire na available doon sa kwarto. Nagbigay sila ng coffee sticks, no? Yung kanyang banyo, simple lang. Yung the usual, merong faucet, merong sink, no? At merong biguan, no? Merong bidet pero hindi gumagana, kaya gamit ka na lang ng tabo at balde. Pero okay naman. Tapos ang maganda, meron siyang partner hotel, si The Bruce Hotel. Sikat yun, The Bruce. So doon, meron kaming access. Pakita mo lang yung sisi. Makagamit ka ng kanilang swimming pool at makagamit ka ng makapunta ka sa kanilang beach. Doon kami nanood ng sunset. Meron pang access sa kitchen. Pwede ka manghiram ng mga pinggan, kutsara, baso kung kailangan mo kumain, no? Katulad namin, nag-take out kami ng dinner. Kaya ganun ginagawa namin, nanghihiram lang kami, hugasan namin afterwards. Kaya 10 out of 10. Sulit for the budget. Masaya kami dito kasi nga maganda experience, tahimik, nasa parang garden, ano? At maraming mga puno sa paligid. Pumunta ka dun sa reception area at meron silang library na maganda, malaki. Ginagawa dating concert area yun, no? Mga bands. Malakas ang wifi. So we booked this hotel to stay from Wednesday to Saturday, 4 days and 3 nights in a family room with a private bathroom. We had 1 double bed and 1 single bed, and Agoda charged us 4,111 pesos, taxes and fees included. The advantages of booking the Silvia Hotel are its location near a beach and right beside the main road, very helpful staff, nice environment with a library, and access to Bruce's beach and pool, and it has plenty of amenities. However, our room has no air conditioner and the Wi-Fi and the bidet are not working. The good news is the hotel has provided workarounds to remedy these issues. We really enjoyed our stay at the Silvia in Siquijor.